And I created my just go in my account, use my username again, maybe yeah, that's why I don't know why that. Blah. Just, just and this how you see this see I have completely new challenges now. And the I have not complete three, four things. The remain is full of dollars, tycoon, and uniform. So found and recommended for sales. Because yeah, the new update, I completed the three things. I got 50 ones each. So unicorn island, and what's this one? The unicorn island and the UFO and I think the Valganza. But now we're gonna do the fistful of dollars. Now let's play, guys. Oh my god. Oh no. Wait. Here we go. Oh, yeah, and I just found I have a mine helmet right here. Let's go. Oh, job. Nice one, too cool. That's one very like this. Miner is a good start. This one, miner is a good start at last. Oh my god. Did you see that guy? Did you see that? Did you see that, guys? I'm so lucky. I've got three phones, and look what I get this. And I am just a 66 chipper. This phone. I think I'm gonna make it to the end. Oh my god, let's go. I'm so lucky there. I was so man, so many zombies. I'm so lucky right now. I can't believe it, guys. Oh my god. I just got so lucky right there. Oh, what master was that was? What master that was? Because that was master though, right? I'm so finished. Anytime now. Anytime now. Mm-hmm. Trying to fight. Anytime. Hand. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open the bridge. See, I'm gonna open the bridge. I'm gonna open the bridge here. And let's go right here. And do not move your microphone. Just wait till the timer stops. Hold your gun because they might go down. Just watch. I'm gonna play this. I'm just gonna put this in till matter. Madalas na madalas. No offense, I think I'm watch this. See that? See that? I'm confident that they're not gonna go. That's because if you pour in that water right there, you might die and not complete the challenge. That's why. Mm, just wait. Look at this thing. No, no. Oh, I thought they were gonna go right there. Come on. Oh no, no, no. You see, they're not going here. This is what I call it. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Don't take it guys because I'm not fighting them. I just saw it on TikTok. They did it because of Oh my god, guys. 30 seconds. I see you in 5 seconds. One. Oh, oh no. There's not showing anything, guys. Let me just see. Let me just see. I'm gonna leave because I escaped now. I will leave. Join again. This is not completed. Oh yes, it's completed. There's stupid number ones. It's in. Yep, festival dollars completed. Then that's it, guys, for the video. Thank you for, thank you for, thanks for watching this. I'll be posting. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I'll be posting more videos. See you guys. See you guys.